Alright folks, this is an EJ Home universal shower filter, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install. There's the filter itself, and then I'm going to put my standard and or generic shower head on the tip. This is in my guest bathroom, and you can see just how easy that was. So one of the questions is, why would you need a shower filter? Well, a shower filter like this can help improve the appearance of your hair. It's great for your skin and nails, and it helps boost your immune system and eliminate toxins. It's great for children and for pets. It's designed for 12,000 gallons of use, which is about 6 months of regular use. My personal favorite aspect is it's great for hard water, which we have a lot of here in Florida. This particular package comes with an extra filter, so I get a feeling it's going to last quite a while in my guest bathroom, and guests are going to be able to take a shower without that icky hard water feel. It eliminates toxins and metals. It's under 25 bucks, and it comes with Amazon Prime, so definitely check it out. There's a link below. So if you're looking to clean up your shower, have a little bit smoother bathing experience, then check out this product. I'll put a link in the description below. Also check out these fine shirts. If you've got a product you'd like us to review, check us out. Email us at allstarboxoffice@gmail.com. Again, a fine product, Amazon link below. Check it out. I'm Adam, your host. Subscribe for new videos every week. Adios, amigos.
911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.